Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have LENOVO Legion Go glasses and I'm going to show you how can you easily increase or decrease brightness level of your screen. So as you can see, our screen is normal over here, but we can decrease or increase our brightness level using our buttons on our glasses. So there are two buttons over here, this and this one. Using this button you will increase brightness level and this one you will decrease. As you can see, we are now increasing our brightness level and now we are decreasing. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.